What's going on YouTube, and thanks for coming back for another video. In today's video I'm just going to do a quick update because if you guys have noticed, I haven't uploaded any videos for the past month or so, and the reason for that is because I recently moved to a new home and I was actually staying at my parents' house for the past month or so. So I'm finally moved into my new house, and as you can see, I'm still settling in. Still got some stuff here and there. I gotta clean up this garage. Back there's my lawn stuff. But yeah, I just want to show you guys what I'm working with and future plans for what I'm gonna do, I guess you could say. So let's go take a look. Alright guys, so here's the front lawn. As you can see, it is smaller than my other house. And this grass is actually Bermuda grass, which I've never had because my other lawn was actually turf type tall fescue. So I'm gonna keep this lawn like this and see how, if I like it, or if I'm eventually gonna swap it out or kill it, I guess you could say, for another grass. But I'm gonna keep it as Bermuda for now. And over here got a couple of plants already. So I like the plants, but I'm probably gonna swap them out for something else. I'm not too sure yet, and then probably gonna add some mulch here or something, kind of clean it up a little bit more. But let me show you the backyard, what I'm gonna be doing. Alright guys, so here's the backyard, and as you can see, right now it's all dirt right here. All this is dirt. Up here is dirt, and then I just got one lemon tree right there, which I'm probably gonna keep for the meanwhile, unless I get tired of it or something, but I'm probably gonna be keeping it. So as you can see, it's all dirt, which is nice because it's gonna be like a blank canvas for me, I guess you could say, because now all I need to do is smooth out all this dirt, and then I'm gonna plant some grass right here in this level, I guess you could say. These next two, I'm planning on just throwing maybe some mulch up there, along with some nice plants, maybe some nice little trees or stuff like that. But so far what I've been doing, because the dirt was pretty hard, and I don't have any sprinkler system back here, so for the meanwhile I hooked up this sprinkler and I'm manually watering it to soften up the dirt because it's pretty hard. And I'm gonna probably rent a tiller. I'm gonna till this all up so that way I can go ahead and plant some grass seed right here. And the grass I'm probably gonna be planting is gonna be perennial ryegrass, and that's mainly because I'm not sure if you guys are familiar with him, but there's a guy named Ryan Knorr on YouTube, and his lawn looks super nice. It looks like a nice little golf course, and that's my goal for back here. So back here I'm planning to have perennial ryegrass right there in these two levels, some nice mulch, some nice trees, maybe some little plants, or maybe, I don't know, maybe a nice little garden section or something, you know. I'm also going to be installing like my homemade, I guess you could say, sprinkler system, which is basically, I'm just going to tap into this, run some PVC pipes, and I'm going to dig down in the dirt, line right here. And I'm probably do about three. I'm probably going to do one right there in that corner, one right here towards the middle, and then one towards in the corner. So that's my plans for back here and in the front. So that's pretty much going to be it for today, guys. I just want to give you guys a quick update what I got going on, and you know, please stay tuned because I'm going to be doing a lot of work back here. So please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video. All right, bye.